How to get dark mode on TikTok on Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get dark mode on your Android device on TikTok app. Now, unlike iPhone, there is no any option to get the dark mode or to enable dark mode on the app itself. However, what you can do is you can try and force the dark mode. Now, it might not be 100% sure that you will get it, but however you can try it. What you want to do is you want to scroll in the notification bar and you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner, and you want to head into settings, scroll further below, and what you want to do is you want to head into about phone option, and there what you want to do is you want to head into the software information, and there you'll find build number, and you want to tap on it continuously here like I did, and there your developer mode will be enabled. It might ask you for phone security. Now in my case I've already enabled, and if I go back here you can see about phone, and below it you can see developer options. Once you what you want to do is from the search bar search in for dark mode. I'll just type in dark, and if I scroll down below at the last you can see force dark mode option. You want to open it and you want to enable it. You want to simply tap on and it'll be enabled, and once you do so the dark mode might be enabled on the app. Now in my case I don't want to enable it, however if you do so then it might be enabled. So this way you can get dark mode on TikTok Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.